Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. In the previous class I had already completed irony and today I am going to start a new topic, that is apostrophe. Apostrophe is a figure of speech in which the speaker directly address an absent person or an object or an idea as if it can hear. So let's see the example. O moon, shine brightly tonight. Here the speaker or a person addressing to looking at the sky and addressing to the moon. O moon, shine brightly tonight. So as if the moon is hearing, as if the moon is responding. So here it's not responding, but the speaker is addressing to the moon as if he's saying his emotions to the moon, as if he's hearing to his statement or his feeling. Next, similar way in other sentence also. Oh time, please wait for me. So here also speaker is addressing to the time as if the time is hearing him. Oh time, please wait for me. Sometimes we'll speak in such a way as if someone is responding or someone is listening to our emotions or a statement, but actually there will be a no person and absent person. So that statement or such emotions we called as apostrophe. So, oh God, why is this happening to me? So sometimes we speak with a God. Oh God, why it's happening to me like this? Oh God, what I have did, as if the God is hearing our emotions or a feeling. Totally the opposite side is totally the absent person, but we are addressing towards the God. So next one is, oh alarm clock, why do you have to be so loud? So in the last statement, the speaker is addressing to the inanimate object and speaking to an object that why do you have to be so loud? So in all the sentences, the speaker is addressing to someone who is just hearing or but not responding, totally a absent person. So sometimes we speak, for example, a child sometimes speak with his toy in own playful mood or in very funny way. So that things also, or that emotion also, we can consider as a apostrophe. I hope you got the clarity how the apostrophe is used, in that the speaker is only addressing the emotions or feeling which is totally not responded, which is totally absent. So you also make many more examples related to apostrophe and improve your language. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Have a nice day.